Thanksgiving!
Let's fold a turkey for Thanksgiving.
The sun peeks up through the morning mist, a golden glow too good to be missed. The rooster crows, the barn comes alive. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful life. With every leaf that twirls and spins, our hearts shout out where love begins. Oh, blessings, blessings, big and small, from the turkey feast to the tree so tall. We lift our hearts, we clap, we sing. Thank you, Lord, for everything. The table set, the pie smells sweet. Cornbread, cranberries, oh what a treat. Family gathers, laughter flows. Thank you, Lord, for the love that grows. The wind whispers through the pines, grateful hearts in the harvest.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.